Guys, my name is Nolima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Enye into that we heard about in that short courtroom process, because Friday was just a short day, Gosia. Oh, it was just a short day. So another heartbreaking thing that we had to learn is that the issue of hot water is still not resolved. OCB are not getting hot water. So there you have it, Kesana, because uqebengu is no akazimiselanga guys change isimo. Uqebengu akazimiselanga at all. The hot water situation was never resolved at all. And if you remember, I think it a month or almost 2 months, I'm not sure when it happened. It was raised before this year by who I choose number 1 and I choose number 4, right? It was placed before the courtroom of Judge Rata. Everybody heard it, and then what happened? Silence. No feedback, no clear solution, nothing. This is what is irritating me, Judge Rata Mokgatleng. Matters that need him to act on, he doesn't act. So busy, go section 189 about baseless that you could have resolved ngela xesha. Athi mfana ngicela uphendule usho nje ukuthi you don't know anything, instead of saying you are not going to deal with the statement. Yes, if he did that, ngesingekho kwinto was section 189. Yet this part of inhuman treatment of accused, he's not dealing with it. He's not dealing with that. Now, yesterday, it came back again, but this time with serious consequences, because now we are told that Mr. Muzisibia is not feeling well. And according to Advocate Mnisi, this is connected to the condition under which he is being kept. Now, let's be very honest here. This is not about luxury. This is not about demanding a 5-star treatment. This is about basic human dignity. Warm water, not champagne, not room service. Warm water. It's winter. It's winter. It's the 20th of June. It's cold in South Africa. And the question is simple. If this issue was raised almost 2 months ago, why are we still here talking about it? Why is the court still hearing the same complaint? Why has there been no proper update? Why is Judge Rata not taking charge of the situation? Why is he doing nothing about it? Why? Make it make sense. This is not the first time Judge Rata has dealt with uqebengu and his nonsense. No. Why Uti Judge Rata, when his response to this, what do you want me to do? What do you mean? What do you want me to do? Judge Rata Mokgatleng, what do you mean? You must do something. You are the court. You should be doing something. You can't be asking the lawyer what must be done. You needed to do an order and say, you know what? I am done with Kgosi Mampuru. I am done. That is what a good judge should have done. He should have said, I'm done with Kgosi Mampuru. I am not having this discussion anymore with any of you. All the accused that come to my courtroom, get them out of Kgosi Mampuru. Get them out of Kgosi Mampuru. That is what Judge Rata should have done. Put them to Johannesburg prison if you have to. Get them out of Kgosi Mampuru. That is what he was supposed to do. And if Abafun, he should have said, I don't want to hear anything. Get everybody out of Kgosi Mampuru. I'm done. Any other judge would have done that. I'm sure Justice Madlanga would have done that. I'm sure Judge Ndim, what's his name? Erasmus would have done the same thing. I'm sure any other judge would have said, Aibo Mampuru, Kgosi Mampuru, I cannot be having this with you. I'm done with you. He was supposed to react by saying, take these accused out of Kgosi Mampuru, all 5 of them out, put them in Johannesburg prison. He was supposed to do that. That is my view. He was supposed to do that. And then, you know what? As long as they are still attending the Senzo Mewa case, I don't want to hear anything from Kgosi Mampuru prison or officials. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want any arguments. And if you have issues, you are supposed to take me to appeal. That is what he was supposed to do, because while the matter was on appeal, he was going to proceed with these things. No, I can't. I can't. I have a problem with Judge Rata's reaction. He is not reacting at all. I can't even say he's underreacting. He's not reacting. He's not reactive on this one matter that needs him to react because why must he keep hearing the same thing over and over? Why must he keep calling about Qabengu over and over? For what? Why is he calling them over and over? To say what to them exactly? No, Judge Rata, like honestly, this is one of those bias situations we always say he does not like the accused. How does he allow his courtroom to be disrespected like that? All the damn time? The same thing? No, guys. No, 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 no. Mm-mm. The problem is Judge Rata Mokgwatleng. He is the one who has keys to solve the problem, and he's not interested to solve the issue. Now, look, who I choose number one is sick. Let's say uba pneumonia, and then when he sues these people for that, kuzothiwani? Mna ngasumisha including uJudge Rata because he had power to solve the matter. Haibo, winter, cold water. This matter was happening now. I choose number 2 when he was there. They were treating them like that. Haibo. No. He is not interested to solve the matter. That is the issue. Judge Rata Mokgwatleng is not into solving the matter. He's like, Ubona ukuthi uJudge Rata is not interested in this matter because uJudge Rata even allowed those officials from Kgosi Mampuru to bully him when he said, oh, I choose number 5 must leave there. Angisakhumbuli the name of the prison that he ordered that he must go to. That order went nowhere. Those guys defied his own order. Now, he was supposed to say, I'm going to sit here, take all this I choose to Kgosi Mampuru right here, right now. Take them out with their belongings. Take them out of Kgosi Mampuru. Send them to another prison. That is what he was meant to do. That is what he was meant to do. He says, go fetch them now and then take them to another prison. He was supposed to, Louis Cop, yes. He should have taken them to Louis Cop. No, he had no interest in doing that. He should have said, take them to Johannesburg or to Louis Cop. He should have done one of those orders and keep quiet and be like, I'm done. I am so done with you because we've been having back and forth, but because he has zero interest in solving the matter, he says now we must call Qabengu to come and explain. Explain what exactly? What exactly is Qabengu supposed to explain? For how long must he be explaining Qabengu? How long must Qabengu be explaining, guys? Hey, 2 months? He had 2 months to fix this matter. No, guys, no. I wonder if about Cat I'm just wondering, is Cat washing with cold water, bathing with cold water? Because there is no way. Now, there are 3 issues also, a few issues that the complaint is about, not just only warm water situation. Now, and the question is simple. If this issue was raised almost 2 months ago, why are we still dealing with it? Because when an accused person is kept in conditions that affect his health, it does not only affect him as a human being, it affects his ability to consult with his lawyer. It affects his ability to give instructions. It affects the fairness of the trial. And that is why Advocate Mnisi raised it. Mnisi does not play when it comes to his clients and being treated in a way that may compromise their defense. He understands that the trial is not fair simply because people are sitting inside a courtroom. A trial is fair when the accused can actually participate properly. So now we wait until Tuesday to hear what's going to happen because Sana, hey, Mr. Qabengu and his delegation must come and explain to the court what exactly is happening. And honestly, what are they going to say that is different? I honestly don't understand. What are they going to say that is different? Are they going to say, we are trying to sort it out? Are they going to say, we gave them hot water when they came to court? What do you mean? But what about the other days? What happens when they are not in court? What happens at night? What happens in the morning? What happens when they are inside those cells and there is no cameras, no public gallery, no live stream, and no court records? What happens? That is the real issue, because this matter has been dragging long enough. If the court was alerted before, then somebody had enough time to fix it, investigate it, or at least come back with a proper report. But instead, here we go again, hearing the same nonsense again, and Judge Ratha still not interested to solve it. No, man. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? It's really making me boil, because it's unnecessary. They are already in prison, serving time for their own sins. Why must they be sin after sin now, punish after punishment? For what? Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.